Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. This video I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. Now, we're mostly going to have Amazon deals, and those are all going to be linked down below, but we're going to kick it off with a Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart deals, and for that, we'll have little YouTube shopping boxes popping up as we go. First deal that I want to show you over at Lowe's is the Cobalt 24-volt cordless battery string trimmer and leaf blower with the 4 amp hour battery and charging. You can see the regular price of $199, but if you are a Lowe's member, which is free to join, it's not like a credit card or anything, you get $70 off. So a really good deal. Springs around the corner. You're going to need the outdoor power equipment type stuff, and a string trimmer and a blower is a good way to start. Nice little 4 amp hour battery to go with it. Plus, the 24-volt lineup has, so much other stuff that you could expand into. So, a good deal on the first one. Home Depot has their Spring Black Friday deals going. We'll do a whole video breaking down that stuff in the near future. But for now, I just wanted to show you this little Ryobi 14-in-1 compact multi-tool. Starts at $14.27 down to $9.97 as a special buy. These are always a handy-dandy little thing to have. Throw it in the glove box. Throw it in the tackle box. And you got 14 tools all in one right there. And then, of course, you can click this little banner if you go to the page and see the other Spring Black Friday deals. But again, we'll do a video on that here in a minute. Next up, at Walmart, we got the Hyper Tough Assorted Color Electrical Tape. 14-footer indoor. It's indoor tape. Good. 5-pack, 3/4 inch. I like color coding my shit sometimes. Do you guys like to do that? I like to do that. It's $3.50. Normally $5. So not a huge discount, but if you're going to buy something at Walmart, especially if you get over $35, or if you're a Walmart Plus member and you're getting that free shipping, we're throwing in the tape. We're going to add it. All right, on to the Amazon deals. First one, this is a really good one. Self-leveling, cross-line, laser level, Japanese green beam. Now, I've heard of just regular green beams. I'm not sure what the Japanese part is, but I like it. 100-foot range, 360-degree rotation. Comes with a pouch. It's by Koyu. And it is 40% off. So there it is with your green beam. You always want the green beam. It's better than the red. $26.99, but we have a 40% promo code. Not sure when that expires. By the way, all these are posted today, and they were working right now. Right now, it is currently 12:30 in the morning. At 2 a.m., codes could die. I know, sucks, but I'm not going to stay up till 3 a.m. to check them all and record the video then. So we just, we keep our fingers crossed. We say a little prayer, and we hope for the best. Next up, this is interesting. I think this is the first time I've ever seen this. Voice-controlled welding helmet. Automatic flip-up shield, true color, solar-powered, auto-darkening, welder mask. This is by Chan Harm, and it's 50% off. Voice-controlled. That's kind of cool. Just say, please open, please close. Of course, then some asshole's going to know that it's voice controlled right when you're in the middle. Please open. Like, damn it. $68.29. You didn't like those eyes anyways. You can get some new ones. You can get a transplant probably. 50% off. It's going to be about $35. I actually think if the voice control worked, that would be pretty damn handy, don't you think? Noise decibel meter, sound level meter. So this way when you're arguing with your wife, you can just hold this up and be like, you are too loud. These are inside voices. Women love when you say that to them. This is by G'day, and it is 50% off. Normally $19.99, 40% promo code, 10% coupon. It's only going to be $9.99. You couldn't have more fun with $9.99 right there. Now, if you do that little wife trick, make sure you record it and send me the video, because I want to see how it turns out. We got an A-frame 5-step ladder. 17-foot extension ladder. They don't know what it is. They can't make up their mind. With stabilizer bars and wheels. 330-pound security load multi-position ladder by... That is so many L's and E's and V's and... Levy. 40% off. Normally $199.99. It's going to take $80 off. It's going to be $120. Free shipping, but it's not a prime item. It's getting shipped by the seller. I love those multi-position ladders. The only thing I don't like about them is they're heavy as shit. But as far as like versatility and everything, man, they are amazing. Concrete carbide drill bits. Hex shank. I love a hex shank. Masonry cement tile drill bit set. We're going from 5/32 up to ½ inch. It's a 10-piece set and it's by Wild Bossy. You may remember they have some like grinding wheels, cutting wheels, things of that nature that I know we have posted in the past. I think another drill bit set we've posted as well, maybe even hole saw set. $25.99, cutting that in half, $12.99, all the way up to ½ inch. 2-pack solar shed lights, dimmable, daytime available solar pendant lights. This is by Sun Boner. 50% off. Now, I actually bought these. We actually got a little video here. Look at this. Look at this. I am not sure when I posted this video, but if you open it up, it'll tell you when it was uploaded, and they still work. So if that tells you anything. So it's a 2-pack because you're getting 2 lights with its 1 solar panel. And then it has the little cords coming off, and you can mount them, and then you can change the hue, and you have the remote, which you'll definitely probably lose. I tucked mine away behind a little pillar. So I didn't lose it, but at some point I'll forget it's there. $58.89, 50% promo code, so under $30 for the 2-pack of your Sun Boners. Skill, 120-piece drill and screw driving bit set with bit grip. I actually don't know what bit grip is. The hell is bit grip? Comes in the handy dandy case. Looks like we've got some spade bits there. Got a whole lot of dry bits. Collection of both longies and shorties and some drill bits there. $19.99. $5 cheaper than Lowe's, but of course Lowe's is going to charge you shipping on top of that. And then the same price as Acme Tools. Again, Acme Tools will charge you shipping on top of that. So $20, get a bunch of bits. Can never have enough bits. 1500-watt pure sine wave inverter, 12 volt to 120 volt, car power inverter, 12 volt, 110 volt converter, RV, truck, solar, off-grid, dual, AC socket, by Mafazop. It's 20% off. Looks like we get a little wiring to go with it. $129.99, 20%. It's going to be close to $100. Rechargeable flashlight. X7 Pro Super Bright Flashlight, 2000 high lumens, high powered, 3 lighting modes, customizable brightness by Reta. And it's 40% off. It actually looks kind of cool. I like all this. Look at that. $36.99, 20% promo code, 20% coupon. They do stack. I checked it. So close to $20 for a rechargeable flashlight. If you want a flashlight you can put on your head, we got a headlamp for you. Rechargeable with motion sensing high lumen bright LED headlamp for adults. This is not a kid's toy, okay? It's an adults only kind of headlamp. Battery powered, 5 modes, waterproof, zoomable by whoa. It's 50% off. $39.99. 40% coupon, 10% promo code. That's 50% off. Gonna make it $19.99. You can put that adults only headlamp on your head. I don't know what you're doing with it. Get the kids out of the room. Going hunting. Shower head, handheld spray combo. 10 mode spray setting. I'm really trying not to say what it came to my head when I said going hunting. Should we just go there anyways? Okay, so I don't know if it was a video or a meme, but it's in my head. Like this was somewhere, and it was a rotund female. If you're looking for something on the rotund female, just keep sticking your finger places until one smells like something, and then go up one. That's where you want to be, apparently. So that's why you need the headlamp. Oh man, this went off the rails. Shower head, handheld spray combo, 10 mode spray setting, magnetic docking, detachable shower head by Primsoft. 20% off. I like how this is detachable. I think that's pretty cool. $29.99, 20% off. That's what, $6 off, so $23.99. I gotta get out of here before I get in trouble. I'm gonna get worse. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscriber, I know you want to now. And I'll see you guys next time.